Welcome to this My Private Shares tutorial video. In this video, we will walk through our account linking feature. This feature is designed for users who have multiple accounts. It simplifies account management and communication. If you only have one account where you hold shares, you do not need this feature. But if you have multiple accounts, like a joint account with a spouse or another family member, this feature will help simplify your access to logging into the platform, making posts, responding, etc. And please note, for security reasons, site managers do not have access to this feature because of the permissions required. You can begin this process by logging into your primary account, which I have already done so. Next, you will navigate up to the right-hand side and find the line that says Link Account and click here. You will be prompted to enter your secondary account email and password. I'm going to choose my secondary login, which I've chosen here, and choose to link account. You can see here I've gotten a success message, the code sent by email, and I'm going to get that code sent to my email. Checking my email, and I have received this code. Be sure to read the email carefully for information about the account linking feature, limitations, etc. I'll confirm that code here, and success. My account has been linked successfully.